It's recording.
Wow! Oh my god! Big crash! Oh my god!
Wait, what are we doing? Are we in a car?
No, we're in a boat!
Oh. Turn on the water.
I'm sitting next to it.
Oh my god, we're shipwrecked. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're shipwrecked. What are we gonna do? I don't know, but I don't know if there's any sound on it. I'm gonna shut it. Watch. We should do like we're gonna do it in like hold the camera. Hold the camera. It's a little mess here. Don't press the button. I'm just kidding. I didn't click the button. Your face didn't click the button. Devin, hold it. Alright, we're supposed to go like that? No, because we're already shipwrecked. There's no more turbulence. You're on the ground. Is that camera? That's big fun. Okay, stop it. You're like... Allie, how do you feel about that? I feel like we're devastated and we're lost on an island and I don't know where we are and I'm really drunk and I don't know what's going on. How do you feel about this? It was like 5 minutes ago. You feel like that? Why is it ow? Allie should shut up and poke. Yeah? Poke. I'm pretty cool. I think Hannah should stop poking my boobs. Oh my god, the whole thing is small. Oh my god. It is like fire cans. Oh my god. What are we gonna do? Wait, where should we go? I don't know. What are we gonna do? You know what? These cans were $700 and 43. And there's a problem in my nose. You freak. LOL, just kidding. Interrupted by technology. Wow, what do you mean you freak? It's not a freak. He said I was a freak. You're not a freak either. Why are you calling me a freak? We're the ones making a Gilligan's Island video in my bathroom. But he doesn't know that. He will never know that. I'm just being dumb and now we're making a Gilligan's Island video. Okay, so you can see it. But that's okay. Because you're stupid. Ellie, how do you feel about that? You can turn it like this. Hannah, how do you feel about this? You want to do that? Fuck no. Vagina monologue. Alex speaks so low. Hannah speaks so low. Alex speaks so low. You might get in time. Wait, we're gonna have a foot fight. Ow! Ow, my nipple just got played. Your nipple? My hip. You know I don't like that word, playtime. Marking, maybe.